Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by proving ownership. This step saves time later. Open your Android browser and go to Apple ID account recovery. You'll use the email tied to the Apple ID. Make sure the recovery phone or email you previously set is accessible because Apple will send codes there. While waiting for codes, note your full name and birth date as Apple may ask. Once done, you'll be ready to request a password reset and follow the verification flow from right inside your Android browser. Now execute the step-by-step recovery. Tap Forgot Apple ID or password, type the Apple ID email, and choose a recovery method. Email and SMS are fastest. If you pick text, receive the one-time code on the trusted phone and enter it immediately. Codes expire. If Apple asks security questions, answer exactly as originally entered. Small differences can block you. If email is used, open it on Android and follow the reset link. These choices determine how quickly you can set a new password. Finish by creating a unique, strong password and sign back into Apple services on other devices. Make sure two-factor is updated. If verification failed, initiate account recovery. Apple may require several days to verify identity and will provide status updates via the contact method you gave. If you're stuck or the account shows unusual activity, contact Apple support from your browser and provide ID details. This speeds resolution. One tip: check spam folders for Apple emails and ensure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.